Hello everyone, my name is Siranush Marmarian and I am a LVN, pursuing my registered nurse license. Thank you for joining me today for my informative speech part of COM 101 MHFV. My topic today is something I care deeply about: how empathy enhanced patient-centered care is in nursing. This speech is not about pursuing anyone, but rather than about increasing awareness and understanding for why empathy matters so much in healthcare. Let's start with a question. Have you ever felt truly seen and heard by a nurse or healthcare provider? If yes, chances are empathy played a big role in the interactions. If not, that the absence of can be equal, powerful, and often harmful. Empathy more than just being nice. It's about stepping into someone else's shoes, especially during their most valuable moments. Today, I will explain how empathy strengthens patient-centered care in three key ways. It improves communication, builds trust, and increases patient satisfaction. First, let's look at how often empathy improves communication in healthcare. Communication is everything. It affects diagnosis, treatments, and overall patient safety. In a 2022 study published in a Journal of Patient Experience, found that when nurses have empathy, patients more engaged in a better understanding their care plans. Symmetry 2022, empathy encourages open dialogue. When the patient feels safe and understood, they are more likely to express their concern and needs clearly, which can lead to more accurate assessment and better outcomes. As a nurse, found that just take one extra minute to ask how someone is feeling emotional and just physical and change the whole dynamic of care. This type of interaction can also reduce patient anxiety, and calm patient is more likely to participate actively in their recovery process. And one other side, healthcare providers who listen empathetically are more likely to notice early warning signs which may symbol and easily missed in a rushed interaction. Therefore, every short compassion communication can lead to big impact, preventing complications. Second, empathy helps build trust. Trust is foundational, is a fact patient care according Harvard Health empathically healthy provides are more likely to establish strong bonds with their patient lead to greater comparison compression to improve the outcomes. Around 2021, in many own experience, and I carried one elderly Armenian woman who didn't speak English. Her symptoms were misinterpreted until I stepped in and spoke her language and learned she had a appendicitis. The moment taught me that trust doesn't come from the credence and it comes from the human inaction connection. Trust not only emphasizes a relationship between nurse and patient, but also improves patient compliance. When the patient trusts their nurse, they are more likely to follow instruction, take their medication as prescribed, and report symptoms honestly. These behaviors are critical in treatment success and long-term health management. Without trust, patient may be told improved details art fears and discomfort will can lead to misdiagnosed or incomplete care. Now let's discuss how empathy impact patient satisfaction, hospitality, and critical emphasize empathically care consistently see better feedback and feel compliant. The healthcare quality review notes that in training healthcare staff in empathy reduce misunderstanding, errors, and even burnouts. Patient emotion remember how they're made to feel when someone is fighting for the fighting or in a pain. Know that their nurse generally cares and be incredible comfort turns clinical expression into healthcare one. In fact, many institutions now measure patient certification not just through outcome certificates, but through emotional and expression survey. Thank you.